Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you which fuse to check if your fog lights do not work. On Ford Fiesta guys, MK7 generation 2018-2017. So, if your fog lights do not work guys, check the fuses first because that will be the easiest thing to do. Could be a fuse, could be a bulb, it could be a switch as well. But most likely, check the fuse. Now, we have more than 200 videos taking the whole vehicle apart, so if you need anything, let us know and we'll try to make a video. So what we'll need to do guys, we'll need to open the hood now. Okay, support it of course, and the fuse box, okay, one of the fuse boxes is located, okay, right here by the battery. So we need to squish on both sides towards each other. Okay, and gently pull it out. You have some hoses here on the side, careful not to damage them. I think this is for the windshield washers. Okay, and that's how you remove the lid. Once you open the fuse box, okay, on the inside you can see the number of the fuses, and we need fuse number 19. Okay, number 19. Okay, it's this one right there, 20M fuse. Okay, so we pull it out. Okay, well, let's go ahead and replace it with a new one. I'll go grab a new one quick. Okay, and next we're just going to go ahead. Okay, install it there. Okay, let's see now if the fog lights actually work. Okay, just quick test. Okay, yep, everything works, you can see, perfect. So, in our case, the fuse fixed the problem. Otherwise, you need to check a relay, guys. Okay, you have to double check the relay, number 11. Number 11 is this relay right here. Okay, so ours is good, but always check yours. And when we turn them on and off, you can hear that thing clicking. Okay, listen now, and if you touch it with your finger, you will be able to feel it. Okay, that's the relay. So if relay is stuck, you might have the fog lamps working all the time or not working. So you always need to check the relay as well. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.